Just Travis Herzog, we are breaking into our live programming on ABC 13 and on the CW because we have a serious situation with this supercell tornadic thunderstorm that is moving into the east end of Galveston Island. On the right here, I have our Galveston tower cam, and you can see a lot of flashes of lightning. Very heavy rain is coming down, and we are seeing very strong rotation on radar that indicates that there is not just a water spout, but really a tornado that happens to be over water in this situation. This is just east of the Strand. It is lifting off in a north to northeasterly direction at 15 miles per hour. We talk about when we show the velocity, the reds and the greens coming together, and you see it right there, bright red, bright green, right next to each other. Radar strongly indicating that there is a tornado that for now is offshore about 3 miles to the south of East Beach. And when I loop this in motion, you're going to see that circulation as it wraps up and works its way off in that northerly direction. So here's the circulation loop. Here it goes as it lifts off. So here's the main most of Galveston, the city, and the circulation is just offshore to the east. So hopefully, if everything works out right, this will continue to skirt just offshore, and then we have to hope the circulation weakens before it reaches the Bolivar Peninsula. But this is a powerful supercell thunderstorm that is sitting offshore from the east end of Galveston Island. Now, the last few frames of motion have me maybe a little more confident that this might just miss Galveston Island, but the Weather Service has taken the road of great precaution here, and they need to with this kind of situation, and issued this tornado warning. Now, here is a look at that circulation moving off in that north-northeasterly direction. So if it does maintain that direction and speed, it reaches Port Bolivar here in the next few minutes. So this is what we're monitoring on the radar, this potential tornadic circulation. It is offshore for right now, and it does look like it will largely miss the circulating part, the city of Galveston. But that heavy rain is still coming down, the lightning, the wind, that's going to be there. We're going to continue on the CW. We're going to come down from ABC 13, but you can join us on our streaming channel at abc13.com/live or the ABC 13 streaming apps as we continue to monitor this situation, because right now the circulation is offshore. Let's hope it stays that way, because if it does stay offshore from Galveston, next stop is going to be the Bolivar Peninsula. We'll have to monitor that as it works its way off in that north-northeasterly direction. So we'll be right back in a moment. Because it's offshore, we're going to take a brief break, and then we will come right back on our streaming channel and the CW to give you more information.